Hello again, Datsun 510 aficionados. So this is the Kodawari No.5 of the Datsun 510 SSS. And this whole series is from 2002. So I actually have a couple other Datsun 510s by ChoroQ, but they are totally different liveries. This is more like just a regular street version. And, well, I'm going to put some wheels on it to make it more like a custom street version. So let's just take a look here at these photographs, even though these are modded Datsun 510s. But at least they're yellow. There's the front view. Very good. Some foreshortening comparison. Don't mind that white stuff on the tire. That'll easily rub off. And then the good old rear view. So, you know, this car looks pretty good with all sorts of wheels. You know, these really organic mini light styles, or Watanabes. Ferrari F40 kind of looking wheels, and then just classic JDM weird geometric 1970s kind of wheels. So it lends itself really well to modification, and it's just a cool looking car, I think. Boy, the camera makes this look like it's neon yellow, like a fishing lure yellow, but when I look at it with my own eyes, it's just kind of like a cream yellow, almost kind of like cream corn yellow. Yeah. So I don't know what's gonna look like on your side, but so this white gunk on the tires just wipes off and the tire looks new again. At least on all these older Choro-Qs. The Zeros have a different compound, but these older ones seem to have more durable rubber. I wish the Zeros would switch to this kind of material here. Standard 5-spokes by ChoroQ, and oh, this is nice. This is why I like the Kodawari ones. They have a lot of printing on them. This literally says Bluebird on it. So that's cool. The little door handles, the black roof there. Casted in bumper is painted silver. And no pale black paint here, but it is so far in that it looks like it's in shadow. Alright, silver front here. Sadly there's no black in those grills there, nor up here. And then you got the standard Kodawari printing of the wipers and the badges, tax registration. I'm not sure really what they are, but alright, printing this side's good, and then we have some red in the tail lights. Unfortunately there's no silver right there. That should be the backup light, but there is silver going around it, so that's kind of nice. And yeah, we have the nice badging here saying 1600 SSS. Can't focus on it. It looks like a checkered flag. Yeah, it's like an SSS on top of a checkered flag, and then Bluebird on the right, so really nice. We got the smoked dark canopy, and then the black paint. It's like a matte finish. It's not bad. Alright, well, let's crack this guy open, swap out the motor, and I have some Hot Wheels Real Riders, those JDM 4-spoke ones, but I repainted them, so we're going to see how they end up looking on this side. Let's see if I can open this easily. Sometimes this tab thing is... oh, luckily. That one's a properly wide tab. A lot of them are really small and it's hard to get out. So there's the paint of the, process there. I kind of feel it would have been nice if they left maybe the headlights, no paint there, so they'd be clear. I guess you could take a Q-tip and just, with alcohol. Well, I'll just leave it alone for now. So we'll save that for a different ChoroQ. And then I have this motor from a different one with the axle removed. Gonna get that tab in the back first. That snaps in. What else we have here? I don't know why there's all this extra ribbing. This is to hold a coin, these two things. You can put a coin in the back and the thing will do a wheelie. Yeah, if you have Hot Wheels premiums, you recognize these wheels. Although I swapped over, some ChoroQ tires to these things. And then I actually have different tires from I don't know what, but they fit on these wheels, so I'm going to go with those. I think I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Yeah, classic JDM wheels. I like it. Looks good. So you can set the little camber. Whoa, too much camber on this side. Maybe a little steering. Alright. So, for comparison, I have a Datsun 510 by Konami. It's kind of like a mustard yellow on that one. And it's an alright model that Konami did. I think for the original price, whatever it was, maybe $6 or less. It's a pretty cool model, actually. Okay, here's a little top view for you. Let's pull out the cartoon versions. So one of the very first Choro-Qs I got was this one. This came from the Jay's Tipo collection, and I have some 3D printed wheels on that one. And then a little later I got this BRE Datsun, and I 3D printed the appropriate American racing wheels on that thing. So I prefer the race cars, but I still, want to have a stock, more street legal looking kind of 510. And with the roof being black, it's different enough. This Jay's Tipo also has the printing on the back, but this BRE Datsun one does not. But it has red headlight covers. So I like the variants they have in these models. I do also have some Datsun Sunny pickup trucks. I just share that anyways. They have only 2 headlights instead of 4. And then I have 3D printed wheels on those as well. Yeah, I'll bring out one more just for fun. It's a Nissan Sunny Coupe with 3D printed wheels again. I have a feeling the Sunny Coupe and the 510 might be sharing the same platform. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or it also seems like the Sunny Coupe and this pickup truck are sharing the same front end or headlight treatment. Alright, it's getting a little too cluttered though. Let's run one of these minions today. So, it's again, these Kodawari ChoroQs are great. They have the extra printing on them that just, make them look more realistic, which is kind of weird to say about a cartooned car, but I like it. I like what they do, so I'm going to get more of them. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next review.